Whenever I buy a stock, prices goes down. And whenever I sell a stock, prices goes up. Have you experienced this in your trading? In today's video, we will teach you a possible solution to this problem using CPR indicator. Pivot trend analysis is one of the most powerful and successful ways to analyze and trade a trending market. This is a simple concept that can be easily overlooked, but it is one of the most powerful concepts that you can take away from using pivots. In an uptrend, you need to buy at support and sell at pivot level or at resistance, depending on your risk-taking ability. Let's check this with an example. On 19th March, Adani Port opened exactly at support 2 level and closed the day at CPR range. The next day, stock rallied further and closed above resistance 2 level. The pivots offer one of the best and the easiest ways to profit from well-defined trending markets. However, the market doesn't always provide clearly established trends. You must remain focused and demonstrate the proper discipline to wait for prime trending opportunities. Task for the day. Open TradingView.com and check how often stocks bouncing back from the support levels to pivot and to the resistance level. You'll be amazed. Make sure to practice before entering into live trades. In the next video, we will cover the topic, two-day pivot relationship. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.